Good morning, traders. It's Monday, August 8th, 2022. I'm going to take a look at the Astro Excel chart today. Looking at the green line, you can see we've had this upward trend developing. We got above the plus 10 line here, and now through today we're flat, but we're above the 10 line, so we've got bullish pressure with that. We flip over this afternoon around just after 14:30. The green line and the blue line move down together into the evening. The green line is down until Tuesday and around the time of the open, and then we're kind of flatlining through Wednesday, just bouncing up and down above and below the zero line. Not a lot of pressure till we get into Thursday. The green line starts to move back up above zero around 3 a.m., around the time of the European increase in activity, and then we're up into Friday or late Thursday at 23:30 roughly, and then we're kind of flatlining through Friday, but we are above plus 20, so that's good bullish pressure in that period there. So Thursday to Friday should be more bullish pressure. You always want to pay attention to the blue line as well. A lot of times the market can follow the blue line, and I mark these vertical lines on here to give the key reversal points on the blue line. You can see right here that this blue line low was actually a high on the 30-minute, and then the high here was a low, and then the blue line low here marked out what looks like it could be a potential high developing. We'll see how that one plays out, but you always want to pay attention to those spike areas on the blue lines for potential pivot points, or use those in tandem with the other indicators with the shorter term timing tools to kind of sync those up together. So there's a look at the prospective trend pattern for the week. We'll be back again with another video in a day or two.